Hello, good day everyone. So we have GL300. So we will now turning on the device. It will be needing 4 AA batteries. Okay. So now power on. Okay. So to enter admin password, so power on again. So 0 again, sorry. Okay, so 0 hash.
Please enter a code or
So
fingerprint.
this is for admin user. So the admin is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then hash. To enter this user, press hash for OK. Press star for back. So since we will register user, press. So there is admin already. We will add new user. So this is arrow button 2 and 8. So we'll go to add user. Then OK. So you can rename the username. So since it's okay. Then first one is password. The next is fingerprint and card. So if fingerprint, no. First one is password, no. So press OK. Add password.
Please enter a new password.
Need 6 digits number. So I'll put 987654.
Please enter a new password again.
987654.
Succeeded.
Okay, so password registered. Go back. Fingerprint we will add. Select fingerprint. So it's adding.
Please input fingerprint.
Put.
Please input fingerprint again. Please input fingerprint
So
again.
three times.
Succeeded.
Okay. Go back.
Menu exit.
So if it is on that part, press fingerprint.
Hello,
So
come in please.
It's opening. Okay. So if you want to put your password, just put your password directly. Then press hash. Okay. So power on 987654. Hash.
Hello, come in please.
Okay. That's all. Thank you.